So CPI data coming up in 3 minutes or so. So I'm using the trading buddy here with the bias depth heat map with the Guardian zones. So the trading buddy allows me to understand the correlation. So pretty much all the indexes are going in the same direction. Good positive correlation there. Neutral correlation with GC and 6C at the moment, not too concerned about that. We've got the negative correlation between GC and ES, which is okay. So everything's there. I understand where that point is, because it's not just on this calendar here. It's also this little flag at this point here. So we're actually on that candle right now. We're waiting for data to come out. Prefer the short here, but I've got to understand that we could have a reaction and a data reversal here. So what I've done is set up some orders. So I'm going to buy if it breaks, if it reverses, comes out through this 30-minute zone and above these two candles here. So 2913 is the stop market order for the buy. I've got the sell limit order there for profit just at this next 30-minute zone. And then the sell at the moment, I will adjust this just before, just underneath here to around about 2896.4, just literally before the data comes out, with a buy limit order to take profit at 2864. Again, we've got a confluence of 30 and 60-minute zones there. So basically, I've framed the chart with this potential straddle trade around. Now, I need a reaction pretty quick, otherwise I will cancel these orders, purely because it needs to be an instant reaction to data. If it's a muted and neutral reaction, I'm not really interested in that. So we've got a minute 30 left right now, so I'm not going to adjust this just too quickly. I'm just going to wait. Okay, I'm going to pull that up, drag and drop to here. So scenarios that could happen here: it could totally reverse from this bearish bias and go half leather, break through this zone and go there. It could hit that 30-minute zone, act as resistance, then come down and take my stop market. It's in straight away. There we go. So this stop buy order basic is my stop now. This is $500 in profit right now. What I can do is adjust or use what we call an at the market type strategy to adjust that stop, or I can just put that in there because that will still take the stop out. I'm risk free now. The main thing is for this, and we can let it run. I mean, again, we can flatten this at any time. It's a big trade. It's $700, $800 profit right now for that one contract, and we can stop that at any time, or we can, we can adjust and lock in a certain amount of profit. Really just depends on how this reaction goes. Still pushing down right now. Again, the bias is bearish with the short, so I can cancel that order at the top there. I can adjust trading stops to lock in it's 50 ticks for $100 profit right now. Lots of options with NinjaTrader. Really sort of sensible way to drag and drop this is, we don't want to lose too much. It's at $770 now. This one is around about $50 profit. We can go a bit lower if you want. 62 to 92 there. Okay. That candle's gone red now from cyan, so there's a lot more volume coming in on this right now. It's $900 profit right now. Really good. We can lock in a bit more if we want. We can go in and around this area, really aggressive now, and take that profit there. $660. Don't get too emotional to this. At some stage that will start to pull back and just take the $660. So really quick video. Love playing these data plays on gold. And again, the indicators I've used here are on the NinjaTrader platform. It's the trading buddy to give me that operational landscape with when that that data's happening. It's on the chart, gives me that visualization. I understand the market's behaving normally with these correlations. Then I've added the buyer's depth heat map. Then I've got the Guardian zones on there. Then I've just put the trades on. All the links below are for this software. Very great strategy. You get good data most weeks that is tradable. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.